The greater sage grouse's mating ritual is a spectacular and unique display of nature. Each spring, male sage grouse gather at designated leks, or mating grounds, to compete for the attention of females. They puff up their chests, inflate bright yellow air sacs on their necks, and produce a series of popping, booming sounds. This impressive display is designed to show off their strength and attract potential mates. Females watch from the sidelines, choosing the males with the most impressive performances. The ritual plays a crucial role in their reproductive success, with only the most dominant males getting the chance to mate. This elaborate courtship helps ensure the survival of the species in the wild sagebrush habitat.